Hi, this is Catherine Parker, and I wanted to show you around the room I'm at. I'm at the Hyatt Lost Pines Resort in Bastrop, Texas. That's right outside of Austin, Texas, in Central Texas. So let's take a look. First, as you come in, a mirror and a beverage area. Complimentary waters included in the resort fee. Got some teas, coffee maker. Let's go right into the bathroom. Got a great bathroom here in Lost Pines. Stone countertop, lots of light. We've got this great glass enclosed shower. Always love this feature in resort and luxury hotels. And then for those who want to take a soak, got a nice tub. It's not jetted, but there is a travertine surround. Let's check out our signature toiletries here. Pharmacopoeia, it's nice. Okay, let's check out the main part of the room. It's a closet, everything you expect in the closet. It's nice, you can put some luggage in there and keep it out of sight. I'm in room 3619. It is a double queen bed. Got some nice rustic details here. Twig lamps, kind of variation of a 4-poster bed. Some Texas art. I'm originally from Texas. It's a proud state. Got a nice console here. Got your in-room safe, your mini fridge. A must when kids, and then drawers. You know, they always want something. So it's always nice to bring a couple of snacks along. We've got a writing desk. Lamp in the corner. I would really like to see a reading chair in that corner. There doesn't appear to be one. Lots of plugs. It's always a nice feature. And I am overlooking the playground. It's a large facility. If you look out there, over to the side, then there's also the pool. Again, I'm at the Hyatt Lost Pine Resort in Bastrop, Texas. I'm gonna go check out the pool, do some resort activities here like bikes. They also have complimentary s'mores in the evening. And it's a huge wooded, beautifully landscaped property.